Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a manual breast pump, a simple tool that can make life so much easier for new moms. I know it might seem a little intimidating at first, but once you get used to it, pumping becomes simple, flexible, and stress-free. What I love about a manual breast pump is how quiet and easy it is, no cords, no batteries, just you in control. Before you begin, make sure all parts are clean, sterilized, and properly assembled. Cleanliness keeps your milk safe and healthy for your baby. Find a calm, comfortable spot where you can relax. Take a few deep breaths, staying relaxed helps your milk flow more easily. Gently place the pump over your breast, making sure it forms a comfortable seal. Slowly squeeze the handle to create suction. Start gently, then find a rhythm that feels natural for your body. Every mom's flow is different, so don't worry if it takes a moment for milk to start. If you like, softly massage your breast or switch sides to help express evenly. If you feel any discomfort, stop and adjust, pumping should never hurt. Once you're done, release the suction carefully before removing the pump. Pour your milk into a clean, labeled container or storage bag, and refrigerate or freeze it right away. And that's it, a quick, easy, and effective way to express milk anytime, anywhere. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident with manual pumping. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the comments for more breastfeeding tips and mom hacks.